across the board, all of our lessons are hands-on. All of our lessons include interactive real-world scenarios where the students are dealing with situations that they would normally deal with in the real world.
Today we are learning how to put together mounts onto a router and put that into server racks. How to disassemble the mounts and reassemble them, and put on and take off routers onto a server rack.
Well, we have a supply shortage in this country, and a lot of hardware, especially computer hardware, is not being delivered on time. And so when we built the facility, one of the shortfalls we had was the equipment for the networking lab. It didn't arrive on time. And so, instead of looking at that as a problem, I decided to approach it as an opportunity to teach the students. So instead of having network services come in and rack and stack the lab, we took the approach that just have them drop off the equipment, and we'll get the students in there to sort of learn about routers and switches. So sort of an initial problem turned into an opportunity to teach.
Yeah, I think it's crazy that they're not just bringing in the IT people to build in the computers, but actually letting us have this on as a hands-on lesson to learn how to build up a server rack.
It's really cool because I know that it's not just going to be me and my classmates that are going to use it, but tons of other kids throughout the future.